So designers, part 3 in the spool holder. Part 1 was the spool. Part 2 was the center cap. Now we go to design the leg, one of the legs. So let's dig into our design and start a new component, leg A, and activate. Click on the center cap and hit create sketch. P on the keyboard, letter P for project. Click the center cap again, OK, and hit C on the keyboard for circle. While active, add dimension. I'm going to use 25, use whatever you want. Hit L on the keyboard for line. Start on the circle. Use arrow on the keyboard while in the line mode. Go down to the right, click. Go to the left, click. Go right up, click, and go right, click, and find a 3-point arc. Start from the circle, go down to the last point on the line and just up and click. Add some dimensions. I'm not going to tell you, and just watch and do whatever similar to this. Let's do 120 over there. Let's do 15 over here. Let's do 110 out here. Then just do 60 here. About 60 would be good. And then arc 175. And we need a tangent constraint from the arc to the circle. There's one more we need over here. We need this one to be 200. About. Stop sketch. Hit E for extrude on the keyboard. Select these 3 profiles and extrude 4 millimeters. Hit F for fillet. Do a 10 millimeter fillet inside. F again, and do one outside. Let's say 15. That's fine. And we need to make some profiles to extrude some slots or whatever. So let's click on the leg and create a new sketch. Hit P for project, click on the leg, OK, do a rectangle, and let's do that 10 by 20. One more over here somewhere, 10 by 20. Let's use a center line, L for line. Let's do a construction line just from the circle center and straight down. Let's add a symmetric constraint between the rectangles and the center line. And let's do a dimension. Hit D on the keyboard. Let's do 50 here. And we need something inside. So let's just do 3 lines, normal lines over here. I'm just gonna stop there, and I'm gonna do a constraint by the point and the line, and D for dimension. Let's add 3 millimeter. Let's do the same over here. Let's just use the first one. Click on the first one, and then from this corner to that corner and out to the right, and use that one. And we're gonna mirror these 3 lines, so just hit S for search or sketch and type in mirror, enter. Click the lines you want to mirror, select center line, and OK. That's what we need now. Stop sketch. Hit E for extrude. Select this profile, that profile, and just drag it through. That's fine. Get back to the sketch. Hit the light bulb. And we're gonna extrude these profiles now. Extrude again. Choose these 2 profiles and drag it out on the other side, but change from cut to join. Go from the front view to have a look-see, and we need to go 4 and then 10, so 14 in all. It's going to be minus 14. That's fine. Turn off the sketch. And we can add some holes. Let's do that from the top. Hit H key and click the top plane over here, and just drag the center towards the center. You will find a point. It will snap to this point, and just do a 3.5 millimeter hole over there. Do the same in the front. Click the plane, hit H key, drag the hole to the middle of the plane, and make sure it goes all the way through. That's fine. Let's do some chamfers over here. I think 3 millimeter. Maybe that's a little bit less. Let's do it 4. Let's do edit feature, go 4. Yeah. Okay. I'm satisfied with this leg. So let's just activate the top level of the design. Let's add another color to the leg. Hit A on the keyboard for appearance. Just find something you like. I'm gonna let's just use red for this one. Okay. So that's the design of our leg, and I'm gonna keep these short, so I'm gonna end here, and I'm gonna show you the next step in the next video. So hit like and keep on designing.